Good morning. So you'd like to introduce some birds to your garden, or maybe feed some more birds so that you can watch the pleasure as they're eating and perhaps even nesting in your garden. Here's a great way. We've introduced a brand new product to the market. It's a fully recyclable, biodegradable mealworm feeder. It's design registered and it's fantastic for the environment, but even more importantly fantastic for the birds. What you do is you basically buy the product and then remove the outer wrapper, and then you're left with what looks like a cardboard box, but it's fantastic for the birds. Take the tray out and pop the tray into the lid. Now, this is made from cardboard, as I said, and so is the string, so it's all recyclable. Pop it into your compost heap at the end of its life, which will probably be around about 6 to 8 weeks. Because we're feeding mealworms, it doesn't matter if this product gets rained on, it's substantially enough to last, and also it rehydrates the mealworms. You get a free pouch of 80 grams with every feeder that you purchase, so pop the mealworms into here and just hang it in your garden. You can pop it on a feeding station or maybe in the trees, because as we know, certain birds like to feed in different areas of the garden. If this is the first time you've introduced this type of product to your birds, the starlings will be the ones that will first come. But what they will do is they will create such a fuss that the other birds will want to know what's happening in your garden. So if you provide other foods such as sunflower seeds, Niger seeds or fat balls, then you will get other birds coming as well. But I just want to show you the power of the mealworms. So once you start feeding mealworms, you'll need more, guaranteed. We can also provide the tubs. This is a great way. So as I say, you could use your free pouch. However, you pop the mealworms in here, which I'm going to do now. We'll pop some in this tray as well, because these guys get hungry. Let's stop the video and let's see how many birds are attracted to these mealworms and this feeder. The other thing is, you'll find that birds love swinging on this feeder. Fantastic fun. Watch and enjoy.